Kaseng National People's Party NPP hakas ngi thoding kal ong ya ka state BJP ban Kren yang kijing shisha ban ya Kren ya kijing haka Jylla ban ya badan benta haka ba Kren bat Kynthoh ya kitin kibam ya hap setia la ban pen kemau ban kaliang MLA ke BJP na South Shillong ba san bo sulai hol ong bakan ke ba du nong lada ki pai ba khasi ba tentia ki pai ketong chong kine ki seng san perthei kum u ne ka khot jong ka MP na Shillong seat namar ke BJP kan sawan biang haka por haka sarkar pedang halor kene na kaliang ke menteri sarkar ke badai ru ke kertong ke NPP na Shillong parliamentary seat ke kong amprin lingdo kala ong balada pha ya ki MP na kano ke parti henrai lada kim don ke jing tibet haka kam kumno kin lej ban Kren ha parliament bat mono bo ong ya ke ba kampat ke ba tibet bat ke election kala jan an saya Kren ya kene inda lap bena ya result.
Let me not engage and distract my campaign with such irrelevant statements. To me, that is an irrelevant statement. Doesn't really matter what a political party or a representative of a political party thinks. Let's get real. Look at your numbers in the state. Discuss on that note. If that was the case, then shouldn't we actually have a direct link there? Right now, that's what I'm saying. Members of political parties in coalition in the MDA must not just speak because they are being asked to speak. Speak sensibly, no. I will not react to any member saying anything. You may be from a political party, but if you do not have the caliber, the experience, what are you going to say there? And who says I am not experienced and I don't have the caliber? I have proven myself. Now, the point is, we need to test whether the people of the state of Meghalaya actually want me to go there. Elections are coming up. We'll get to know on the day of the results. It's okay.
Do you have any temptation to just because you are in a comfort zone, you have cabinet minister, press facility, everything is there. Why should you go sit there in a corner of over 50, 500 MPs?
You see, I am committed to this candidature. I am well versed. I am aware. I am very aware of the losses, the gains that this kind of a candidature may, in effect, produce or result, so to say. My agenda is very simple. I am sacrificing my seat with a bigger purpose in my mind. Understood. People will bounce this statement. Some will take it south, some will take it west, some will take it east. Doesn't really matter. This is what elections is all about. I feel that I am ready to go to Parliament. What will I gain? I have no idea. What will I lose? I have no idea. When you talk about personal, but if you get into such a candidature, are you talking about your personal gain? Who cares about my personal gain or loss? It doesn't really matter to me. Point is the bigger picture. That big ocean there that we need to swim and be heard. And if people of the state of Meghalaya believe that I can swim in that ocean and that I will not take any act enacted or any decision taken to be compromised at my state, then I will be that voice to speak. It doesn't really matter what is there to gain or what is there to lose. I have been the perfect example. Is a cabinet chair so important that I will forfeit the needs of my state in such a turmoil? When you have seen what is happening everywhere around you, the fears that people have, the stories that are being circulated in the social media, the insecurity that we are feeling, this is all real. Uniform Civil Code is real. CAA is real. secular protection in the state, in the country is real. Fragile border disputes is real. Trade and communications is real. These are all real issues. If people feel that I can be that one person, I will be willing to give it a shot. Everything else is irrelevant to me at that point of time. It doesn't really matter.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CN helpline call center